Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, we are the representatives from SMK Abdurrahman Talib, and we will be presenting about our project, which is the iSmart Power Window Safety System. So in our team, we have Adif as the project manager, Jari Saadan as the technical engineer, Amira Hana as the resource manager, and Aina Batrisha as our graphic designer. Also, we have Puan Hidayati and Puan Ismailili as our supervisors.
Without further ado, let's talk about the reasons why we built iSmart Power Window Safety System. Nowadays, we are no longer strangers to the growing concerns involving vehicle security. As vehicles become more technologically advanced, so do the risks associated with them. Issues such as carbon monoxide poisoning and deaths of children trapped in vehicles were no longer unheard of.
So our project has two objectives. The first one being to ensure the safety of a child left unattended in a car, and our second objective is to reduce the risk of suffocation due to carbon monoxide accumulation in cars.
Aina, how can a child get trapped in a vehicle?
Oh, that is due to the parents' negligence. Parents often don't realize they bring their kids alongside with them. Therefore, when they leave the car, they just left the kids, and kids died.
Oh, then what about carbon monoxide poisoning?
Oh, carbon monoxide poisoning is a gas that cannot be seen, cannot be heard, cannot be smelled. Therefore, it is undetectable. And it is due to the incomplete combustion of fuels.
Oh,
And when we inhale carbon monoxide, it will diffuse with hemoglobin, forming carboxyhemoglobin, and could lead to death. Very dangerous.
oh, like that. Thank you, Aina.
Welcome.
And now I will explain to you guys how the component inside the system work. So first, the system is divided by three parts: input, process, and output. So for the input part, we use the MQ9 sensor, which can allow the system to detect a carbon monoxide. And next, we use a virtual button inside the Blink app, which we can open the car window just by using our smartphone. So we go to the process part. For the process part, we use a microcontroller that we call CTO node, where all the data has been calculated and measured, and it will send to the output part. So at the output part, we got four components. First and foremost, we got a relay. Relay is act as a switch for our system, and next we got a buzzer. Buzzer act as a alarm for our victim that they has been exposed by a carbon monoxide. And we got a Blink app notification, which can inform to all your family members that you have been exposed by a carbon monoxide. And last but not least, we got a power window motor, which can open the car window automatically and can reduce the carbon monoxide that has been accumulated inside the car. And for the additional component, we use a GSM module, stand for Global System Mobile Communication. So this component allows the system to connect to the cloud, which can be connected to the Blink app. And that's all for the component part. Moving on to the demonstration part. So for the first problem, it's about unattended child inside the car. So we create a simple button inside this Blink app. Just simply pushing this button, the car window will be open and you can take your child and your child will be safe. And moving on to the next problem, it's about death caused by a carbon monoxide. So here we got a mini model of the car. You guys can imagine this is the car and the MQ9 sensor is up here. So how the system work? So we just simply burn a paper. And then we just close it. And when the MQ9 sensor detect carbon monoxide, we will send a data to the microcontroller and the car window will be open automatically and the buzzer will buzz in to alert the victim that they have been exposed by a carbon monoxide. And that's all for the demonstration. Thank you.
Moving on to the impacts of our product. For our first problem statement, we can open the car's window without breaking it. Therefore, we can reduce the cost and child will be more safer when left by their parents in their vehicles for a certain period of time. For our second problem statement, is we can reduce the carbon monoxide level. Therefore, we can prevent the deaths of people caused by carbon monoxide.
So, where should we sell this system? Wow, now I get it. For our market potential, we should sell our system to the car accessories store like this and to the automobile manufacturers such as Proton and Perodua.
All in all, keeping family safe is our top priority. But how can we do that by being an eco-friendly user? Thus, one of the most effective ways of eco-friendly practices in enhancing safety is through the reduction of hazardous materials. If we are compliant with safety standards, we can minimize the usage of toxic chemicals by changing to environmentally friendly products, which can reduce the risk of chemical exposure among the vehicle's users. Let's make our Mother Nature a greener place to live. Thank you for watching.